welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. I got a couple of items in from Amazon and a couple of items from Shein, so I wanted to do a quick video since I had a little break from school, and also I wanted to do my nails. But first, let's get into this Amazon haul. So the first thing out of the box is this hot orange, neon orange polish from Vishine. This was such a beautiful color, and I don't have this color orange in my gel polish collection, so I was super excited to get this. I just love the neon colors. So sad it's the end of summer, and so sad I don't have a lot of time to put two nails, but I'm just gonna take it whenever I can. The next is this neon polish from Double Rhythm. I believe I have a couple of polishes from them, but not many. And this is a very affordable line. These were 15 ml bottles. I got the Cuticle oil. Both of these were top gel polishes. And then I got a whole set of 6, and I want to say it was about $25, $30. So anytime I am paying $5, $6, $7 a bottle for a full size bottle, it's a win for me. This one does come with an expiration date, which I like to see. Also, just wanted to take a look at some of the ingredients. It doesn't specifically say HEMA free, but that acrylated acrylic, that's like a cousin, I believe, to HEMA. So if you have allergies, just beware that it does contain that ingredient. So use your gloves when working with gel polishes. These polishes were packaged well, and the fact that it has a nail swatch, if you're a nail tech, this is perfect. You can put it on your desk or set it somewhere on display, and you don't even have to swatch it. They swatched it in glossy and matte. Again, I mean, that's just a nice touch for $25 again. Now, I'm just gonna open up the bottles just so you can see. It is a very creamy consistency on the polish. They were already swatched, so I'm just showing it to you just because that's what I'm used to doing in the videos, I guess. Very pretty, very vibrant, very pigmented. And it ships from Amazon, so you're going to get it in 1 to 2 days if you ever run low on your supplies. Alright, so Shein, you already know it's going to be a bunch of charms and a bunch of stickers. So let me unpack, and then we're just going to run through these really quickly because y'all know I do not like long videos. First thing out of the pack are these super cute pastel mushrooms. I think they're kind of cute to be plastic. I bought some other ones. I believe they were resin. But these were so cute, and they're small. So you can get these on shorties or any ones that are long. I like the little detailed, like dimension, like it has an underneath side like a real mushroom does. Those are super cute. I love them. Next thing are these fruit. They have some sparkle in them. If you look at the carrot in like the middle right, you can see they all have like this glitter up under that is so cute. Then I got into a food kick. So I bought these. They're a little large, so maybe something else can be decorated with them, but too large for fingernails for me. Next thing, I bought these little kawaii flowers. I wanted them to have the different color neon petals, so I think I'm gonna take the color off of these and use those double rhythms to make the neon colors underneath. Then I bought some stars, and I guess I was on a star kick because you're gonna see a lot of stars. This one is like a double star, and then it has like a little rhinestone on the side of it. I don't know if you can see that, but those are super cute. And then I bought these stars. We got some 4 points. Some of these have rhinestones on them. I think there's a dangly one. Yep, there's a dangly one right there. So those are super cute, especially with the rhinestones. I got some gold stars with a little dangle there, with a little dangle rhinestone. Those were cute. And then I got a couple of packs of these little stars because I thought they would be really cute to like fill in spaces on junk nails. And then I got these little drippy hearts, which I don't really know why because I don't like them as much as I thought I would, but maybe we'll find a place for them. I'm really thinking flip them over, fill them with cat eye, and then that might make them look better. Then about these little mermaid bubbles and these cute little dragonflies. They are so cute. Look at that purple and yellow one and the pink and green one. I'm in love with these. Also with these cute little ladybugs. I'm sad I did not buy 2 packs of them, but they are so cute. And then I bought these little butterflies. Those are so cute and they're tiny. So yeah, you can put them on small nails or fill in junk nails, but they're so cute. And then I bought these red and white Hello Kitties because Christmas is coming up and that would be perfect for those. I'm not going to open these up, but got these little sprinkles in case I ever do some ice cream nails or something like that. Now, I went a little too far with these little drippy heart stars because I don't even know why I bought the drippy hearts and then bought this, but we just going to get us an honorable mention. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. Then I bought these foils. I did not realize that they came with these flowers. I actually bought them for the little abstract designs, and what a bonus because these flowers are so cute. I'm obsessed with every last one of these foils, and I don't use foils as much as I should. But I love it whenever they have the clear backing on them. These would be great as accent nails. I just love the hollow in these abstract lines. It was so mesmerizing and absolutely the reason why I bought those. Then I have these stickers. I told y'all I was on a star kick, so they came in black and white and then in pink and white and blue and white. I think stars is just one of those little things that you can do when you can't figure out anything else and it just fits right in. I bought these heart stickers, even though it's not Valentine's Day. I think these are any day stickers. They came in pink, black, and white. These are so cute. They're like picture frames, pieces of a picture frame, cut up pieces of a portrait. Like those are super cute. Then I bought these. I bought them because they're rose gold. I don't know if it's picking up on the screen, but got some fruits and then I had some birds and then I was on a metallic kits and French kick. So I bought these liners. Those were metallics, and then I bought some of these. These are ones that will like shadow a French line, and they came in all different colors. So yeah, if you know me, you know that French lines are my nemesis. So I thought also this might be a great way to hide some imperfections. So it's a win-win. And now I'm just going to show you what I mean by hiding the French or as a shadow. So I'm just putting this behind the French line, and this was a whole trend earlier this year. And then the next couple of stickers, still sticking with the metallic with the gold and the silver Frenches. This one I thought was cute because you can put it as a cuticle bar or either as a French line. So I thought those were pretty cute. And I'm so excited about this next one because these are the little blushes that have been trending for a couple of years now. I don't think they're going anywhere. But yeah, and if you don't have the supplies or airbrush, like these are little airbrush blush spots and they came in all different kind of colors. And so in case you don't know what I'm talking about with the blush, that's what I'm talking about right there, how they have that little blush in the center of the nail. So this is going to save you time on curing, also in doing the ombre itself. I think I'm going to do a nail set here pretty soon and use those. These were so cute. Oh my gosh, it's the iridescent. I'm in love with these. And it was the bubbles. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I can't wait to use those. These neon flowers were so vibrant. I actually used those daisies in today's video. Got these zebra prints in black and white. And then I got leopards with the white, pink, brown, and then Lisa Frank inspired backgrounds. Got these little guys. I don't know if they're ants, flies, or mosquitoes. Got a couple of food stickers, and these were super cute, especially the pastel ones and that little one with the coffee on it. And then I got these ones here. They are so cute. I don't know what to do with myself. These little monster stickers. These are so cute and they don't look that hard. I bet you could draw them, but not me. Anyway, got these little ice melts. These are going to be so cute to use this winter. And I bought them in colors, and the color ones have different shapes. I thought those were so cute, and I love the eyes on these. And then the last couple of ones are just about the facial expression. I love all of these emotions, and I love the colors in these. And then about 3 packs of these because these are so cute, and I can probably use those little blush stickers with this one as well. And the last set of stickers are these cute flower faces. Okay, I'm going to use the daisy stickers from this haul, and also I'm going to use these press-on nails from Walmart. They're Impressed. They were on sale for $5, and they are Frenchies, so I don't even have to drive myself crazy with that today. These nails are going to be kind of basic, so the only other thing I'm going to add aside from the sticker is going to be a couple of rhinestones. I'm just going to quickly show you some of the things that I'm using. This is just double-sided tape, and it's 2 strips of it attached to the back of a nail form. Why I'm doing this will make sense here in just a minute. When I size out my nails and I'm not ready to do them at that exact moment, I store them in this leftover foil container. This is the nail that we're going to be working with today, and as you can see, it has that little sticky tab on the back of it, so I can't put it on a nail stand, and that's why I use the double-sided nail tape so that I don't take that off as I'm working with the nail. So now I'm just buffing very gently on the top of a couple of nails where I'm going to apply the daisy stickers, and then also on the free edge where it has that little piece of plastic sticking out. Now, as I was buffing, I was just noting how flexible they are around the cuticle area, and then they stiffen up around the free edge. If I can figure out how to get the sticky off of them, these may be some good Gel-X nails. Yeah, we are almost to the end of this video. I can't believe it. So after I buff them, I'm just going to wipe them with alcohol on a lint-free wipe. Add my stickers. I'm using some Macart nail glue to adhere the rhinestones to the stickers. I'm going to top coat and then these nails are done. Before I go, I did want to just give a couple of quick reminders. If you have not already, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed the content of today's video, hit that like button and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about these super easy press-on nails. Is this something that you would wear? What would you do different? And do you struggle with French nails the way that I do? Alright, as you can see, I quickly flash cured to just set the rhinestones up, and I put it in the bigger lamp for 60 seconds to give it a good cure. I did top coat, which I don't show in this video, but they are top coated so that they will last. And here is the final look on both hands. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I really appreciate you watching. Take care. Bye.